So what colours do you see?
I see a grey and two greeny things.
A grey and two greeny things.
Teaching science means inspiring and nurturing curiosity in our students.
If you push that cup down into the water, what do you think might happen to the tissue?
To do this, the work of Australian scientists can support teachers to spark wonder about the world around them. In response to the needs of teachers, the Australian Academy of Science has developed the LIA Framework, which stands for Launch, Inquire and Act. Underpinned by the best of contemporary education research, the framework applies to teaching both primary and secondary science.
Do you reckon we could do an experiment to find out?
The launch phase aims to place classroom science in a real-world context. This showcases science as a human endeavour, encouraging students to engage with the science phenomena they experience in their everyday life.
Do they look the same or do they look different?
They look like wide bellies.
So it's important that we meet students where they're at, with what they know and understand and the experiences that they bring with them into their science learning. The launch phase of Launch, Inquire, Act is really useful in helping students to make connections between what they already know and understand and what it is that they're going to learn through the Launch, Inquire, Act process.
During the Inquire phase, students increasingly build on their science understanding and skills. Questions are posed and investigated. New knowledge is integrated with current thinking, leading to new questions and allowing the Inquire phase to start again.
Like if you use cool wires, it won't work because they will be trying to put too much electricity from the battery to the light.
The ACT phase empowers students to develop their sense of agency,
Do you think you could make a really tall tower?
connecting the science learned in the classroom to the real-world examples experienced in the launch phase. It's a chance to design solutions and to communicate their enthusiasm for science.
So what might you have to do to the bottom so that it doesn't just tip over?
LIA is at the heart of the new primary connections. Launch promotes the importance of science in the lives of students. Inquire supports questioning and investigation. ACT empowers students to use their new skills and knowledge.
What I really like about the Launch, Inquire, Act framework is the opportunity for students to contextualise what they're learning in why they're learning it. I think that's really important when we study science, that we understand why science is what it is and how it works.
LIA, an evidence-based framework for teaching science.